All right, put this on your neck, whoever's comfortable for you.
Wait, do I look at the camera or look at you?
You can look at me.
Okay,
no.
cool. Booger check.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Perfect.
My name is Michael Brisedo.
My name is Jose Gustavo Garcia.
I'm Jacob Wright.
My name is Jackson Ehrman.
My name is Gabriel Hallville.
My name is Cassius Cox.
My name is Cole Kep.
My name is Tyler Sanzoni.
My name is Ian.
Cooper, out of the seat.
My name is Colin McCoy.
My name is Angel Olivos, and I'm taking Fundamentals of Fabrication.
Cooper Egan, and I'm in FOF.
Fundamentals of Fabrication.
And I am taking the Fundamentals of Fabrication.
Before I joined the school, I did art and design at a different college. I wanted something more hands-on, so I came here. I did product design, so I did a lot of like 3D printing, like actual smaller fabrication work. Like I did woodworking, leatherworking, and like soft goods. So I did more interior stuff. I used SolidWorks, I used AutoCAD, I used AutoCAM. I've done some other stuff like Fusion 360 and I think a little bit of Rhino.
Right before the school, I was a contractor, self-employed, and then before that, I was in the Marine Corps.
I just came out of high school, so I'm one of the youngest guys here. I don't know, I just saw the place once, but I was always into, I don't know, messing with stuff like my bike or my car, stuff like that, so I kind of wanted to just do some with my hands.
I was in a different school for structural steel, doing stick, and I decided I didn't want to be a production welder or work in structural steel. I wanted to learn how to fabricate.
Graduated high school, class of 2024. Didn't know what I want to do, then just came to school here.
I'm into off-roading and I wanted to get into fabrication, and that's what I want to do as a career. I decided this school would be a good idea for me. My family's been into off-road for a while. My dad raced Baja.
Before, I was just working after high school for a little bit. I knew I wanted to do something with fabrication. I've always loved cars, anything automotive. So just being able to like build off of that was kind of my goal.
You know, I've been trying to figure out life, you know, since I've been out of the military. Got out in 2020 and been to commercial dive school. Did some work, a little bit of work there, and now I'm here. You know, had a tragedy, the last company, so for me it was just a fresh start again.
I was in the Marine Corps for 8 years now. I was stationed in Camp Lejeune, and then my last duty station was here in Camp Pendleton. Actually, I was interested in going to Universal Technical Institute in Austin, Texas. It's for the same thing, welding, not the fabrication part of it. I was going to my TRS and like I saw Vic with this booth and I saw, okay, that's pretty cool. I saw his like products and everything, got his business card and all that, and then hit you guys up, hit up Noah, and he pretty much got me started in it, like canceled UTI and stayed here.
I joined the Navy in 2018 and did 5 years and got out in 2023. Didn't know exactly what I wanted to do. Decided to take up welding and I'm falling in love with it ever since.
I just middle school, high school, and then I didn't want to go to college because schoolwork's just boring. It's the same thing. And Cooper was coming to this school, and I wanted to go do Otis elevators, so I figured this would be a good step in getting there, and then it just turned out this is where I'm at. I went to high school with Cooper, and then he was like, oh, I'm going here, and then I checked it out, and I'm like, pretty cool, and then just ended up here. He drives me here every day too, so little shout out to Coop.
So you pay gas money for it?
Nope.
I wanted to join FOF too to have like a better understanding when it comes to manufacturing and just building things and applying what I learned from DDM for like blueprint making and seeing how the process goes through FOF. Just a big difference working on the computer compared to in the real world, because a lot of things that you see you think you can do on the computer, like when it comes to like the sheet metal bending, for example, it's like you gotta have like the right length and you gotta make the cuts, the shape fit, even though it can be seen or done correctly on DDMs. You got to take in the fact of like that they're more malleable, also just blowing through material.
Okay, I hope it's recording. Let me check. Yeah, we got this. Try to do this in one take. My name's Isaac Anthony Torres. I'm a student in the Fundamentals of Fabrication. I'm a sergeant in the California Army National Guard. I've been in for 9 years, going on 10 this October. Before I started the Fab School, I was deployed. I was also a full-time correctional officer. Decided to pursue fabrication full-time. I'm in Vegas for a Mint 400 with Honda Factory Racing. Scored a job with these guys thanks to the Fab School and all their skills that I've learned.
During the course, do you feel like your skills have developed?
Yes, definitely. Definitely gotten a lot better at TIG welding and MIG welding, and I pretty much didn't really know anything about it before I joined the course, and now I feel pretty confident in myself.
Definitely. I've never touched any of these machines. I've never touched a welder, a lathe, or a mill. Just through this program, I've actually been able to, be hands-on and develop my skills and my talent.
Yeah, of course. I went in with a little bit of background, but not much at all in welding, but I definitely have improved immensely.
Oh yeah, I knew nothing coming here. I've never welded till I got here, so.
Definitely yes.
Oh yeah, definitely. My skills in welding or metal fabrication went from zero to definitely up here. I feel more comfortable in walking up to a machine like this and being able to operate it safely and not get hurt.
Yeah, 100%. Welding, everything, 100%.
Yeah, you get a lot of experience, just seat time. You help when you need it.
Yeah, they really have, because in the beginning too, I just didn't understand much of what I was learning, just when it came to the mathematics of things and applying formulas and all that. But as time went on, I understanding for example, tube bending and understanding the radius, how it goes into the bend, the stretch of the material when you're bending the material too. Of course, the first thing when you start to, you suck at it, but overall, over time too, you just get better at it.
Yeah, because I didn't know how to weld before I came to school and do tube notching, tube bending, stuff like that. Especially welding, I didn't know how to weld. So just coming here just helped me out.
Have my skills been developed during the course? Absolutely. I had never touched a welder prior to attending the course. I've never touched a welder, a grinder, floppy disk, none of that. No cutting wheels. The only thing I've ever done, I'm a bit of a bolt-on boy, so I bolt on parts of my cars, and that's how I built them. Now I have the tools to build my own. I'm eternally grateful for it. I never expected I'd learn as much as I did through this program.
Yeah, definitely. I came in here with no welding skills at all.
Yeah, I mean, there's definitely more to learn, but obviously from day one to now, a lot more confidence. Definitely in the aspect of TIG. When I first did TIG, I was like, I'm gonna drop out. I suck at this. And then now it's it's okay. It's a lot easier than you think. You just gotta give it time. The teachers teach you for a reason.
Best times, there's been a lot of fun times. I want to say probably the beginning, really, when we were all, didn't really know much, just kind of all at the same spot, and everyone was kind of just having fun at it, all learning at the same time. It was nice.
Probably anything but the welding, just messing around in the shop.
Just definitely around and just all the Yeah, we always bump heads here and there, but that's everywhere, and that's what happens.
Best moments, I'm gonna be honest, probably going out to King of the Hammers with Vic and the repair team. I had a blast out there at King of the Hammers. I got to work on a lot of trucks. I got a lot of in the field experience, welding in the dirt, on the ground. Definitely a very learning heavy experience. Some of the most fun I've ever had.
Honestly, the roll cages, because we're in big groups, so we're all working together and kind of made it happen. Just everybody working together and communicating and stuff.
The best time, just probably during break and during lunch, just to goof around and just have fun, just in general.
Probably the roll cage, because it's the biggest group project, so you get to learn a lot about people, but also you get to learn a lot during that project because you're learning from so many different people. It's always good to take advice from anybody. It doesn't matter who it is.
Probably in the class. In the class when we started doing suspension shit, stuff like that, we'd kind of just shoot shit all day.
Every day, man.
The best times I had was pretty much just definitely just going out to the events. Those are my highlights too, especially coming out of DDM and wanting to apply myself to something like this, or it's just something new for me that I really enjoyed.
Definitely the tube bending with Mike, and then doing the roll cages was just fun. I feel like after a certain amount of time, everyone just got a lot closer, and it's just fun and games after you get your work done. But yeah, just the whole class was fun.
Probably just welding together, messing with each other the whole time. At lunches, always eating.
Definitely these dudes back here, you won't be able to see them on camera, but
I'll give a shout out to Dave and Nick. Taught me along the way. Daniel, he sucks, but everyone else is cool.
Shout out Jose, just cause. And Mike, just cause.
Shout out my boy Cupie and Jackson.
No, just keep fabbing and keep welding. That's about it.
Definitely the teachers. The teachers are amazing. Nick, Dave, Daniel, all the teachers. Just super supportive and gave some great advice.
I'd like to shout out my mama and Elvis. Awesome guys.
Any last thanks? Man, I want to give a shout out to Nick and Dave, our 2 instructors. I feel like we got really lucky with our instructors. Damn, I did this in one take. Holy shit. Thank you, Fab School. It's been an honor. It's been a great experience. Thanks.